Hello and welcome to Turner Time Tutorials. This video is on how to use autocorrect for frequently used text in Outlook 2013. There are probably quite a few phrases that you find yourself typing often when creating an email message in Outlook. You can use the autocorrect feature to simplify this process and save you time. First, we'll need to set up autocorrect. To do this, we must open a new email message. To use autocorrect quickly, we're going to need to add it to our quick access toolbar, which is the small toolbar in the top left corner of your Outlook email message. To add the command, left-click the arrow at the end of the quick access toolbar and left-click More Commands. Use the drop-down arrow to select all commands. Now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to look for autocorrect, and they are all alphabetical. Left-click on autocorrect options and left-click on add. Left-click OK, and the autocorrect has been added to your quick access toolbar. It's the small circle. Now let's open up autocorrect options by left-clicking on the command in the quick access toolbar. We can now set up our own autocorrect options for phrases that we use frequently. Something I type often is please call my cell if I'm out on the road and I'm responding to an email for a customer, so I use CMC for call my cell. I'm going to type the acronym in the replace field. I'm going to use the tab key to navigate to the with field, and I'm going to type in call my cell and type in my cell phone number. I'm going to left click on add. It's been added to my autocorrect options, and I'm going to left click on OK. So now if I'm in the body of an email message and I type in CMC and hit the space bar, my text is automatically going to be inserted. So this can be a great time saver. Some other commonly used phrases that you might want to insert in autocorrect are please see attached and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for your business. I'm in a meeting, I'll call you back later. For your information. I thought you might find this helpful. Or my mailing address is, and then I could put my mailing address in the autocorrect. Adding phrases to your autocorrect options can help you to save a lot of time when creating emails for frequently used text. If you have any questions, please email info@getturnertime.com. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.